everyone. Today we will learn about behaviorism approach theory. So, what is behaviorism theory? Behaviorism theory is a physiological approach that emphasizes the observation of directly observable behavior. According to behaviorism, human behavior can be explained and understood by understanding responses to stimuli from the external environment. In the context of this approach, reward and punishments are considered the main factor that influence behavior formation and change. The implementation of behaviorism theory. First, positive and negative reinforcement. Teachers encourage desired behavior in their students, including fully in class, by providing positive reinforcement in the form of prize and award. However, negative reinforcement, such as losing privilege, can be employed to curtail undesired conduct like interfering with classes. Second, behavior formation. Little steps that approach the desired behavior are taken while teaching a new skill. When studying arithmetic, for example, start with basic procedure and work your way up to the final result. The next is characteristic of behaviorism theory. First, focus on observable behavior. Behaviorism emphasizes the observation and measurement of directly observable behaviors. This means ignoring internal mental process that cannot be directly observed, such as thought, emotion, and feeling. Second, environmental determinism. Behaviorism asserts that human behavior is significantly influenced by the external environment. A person's response to the surrounding environment is a result of the stimuli and experiences present in that environment. And the third, learning by association. Behaviorism believes that individuals learn through association between external stimuli and the responses that exhibit to those stimuli. For example, in classical conditioning, association is formed between an initially neutral stimulus and another stimulus to elicit the same response. And fourth, predictable and manageable behavioral change. Behaviorism believes that behavior can be predicted, explained, and changed through manipulation of the environment. By understanding and controlling the environmental factor that influence behavior, desirable behavior can be promoted and undesirable behavior can be reduced. And fifth, the importance of observation and experimentation. The main method in behaviorism are observation and experimentation, where behavior is systematically observed and measured under various conditions to understand how it is affected by the environment. The weakness of this theory. Behaviorism, while influential, has faced criticism and has certain limitations. The first is ignoring mental process. Behaviorism disregards internal mental process like thought, emotion, and cognitive function, focusing solely on observable behaviors. The neglect the richness of human experience and cognition, which are crucial aspects of understanding behavior, and then overly simplistic. Behaviorism often oversimplifies human behavior. by reducing it to stimulus response associations. It fails to address the complexity and uniqueness of individual experience and the diversity of human behavior. And then limited scope. Not all behavior can be explained solely through external stimuli and response. Cognitive process, emotions, and innate factor influence behavior, which behaviorism tends to overlook. Next, ethical concern. Some behaviorist techniques, especially those involving punishment, have raised ethical concern. The use of punishment in behavior modification can be seen as coercive and potentially harmful, and then inadequate for higher cognitive learning. While behaviorism is effective for certain types of learning, it may not adequately explain complex cognitive learning process of creative problem solving, and then lack of generalizability. Behaviorist theories often struggle to explain why behaviors change based on different contexts and environment. It doesn't fully account for the variability in behavior across situations. And then, minimal role of personal choice. Behaviorism tends to overlook the role of individual agency and personal choice in behavior, attributing action primarily of external stimuli. These weaknesses indicate that while behaviorism offers insight into certain aspects of behavior, it falls short in comprehensively explaining the full spectrum of human behavior due to its exclusive focus on observable external behavior and disregard of internal mental process, integrating other physiological approaches